Hey everyone, Lucas at Lamin-x, and today I'm going to be showing you how to protect and style your fog light for many years to come using a Lamin-x Universal sheet. Let's go. To start, you just want to clean the light using some water and a soft cloth to prevent any dust, dirt, or lint from getting trapped underneath the adhesive and resulting in a poor installation as you're installing. And now we need to figure out how big of a universal sheet we need to order to cover this fog light. We have a video all about how to measure for a universal sheet if that would help you. Now that we have a proper sized universal sheet, I'm going to wet my fingers before removing the Lamin-x from the liner and then gently tack it into position, making sure it's covering the entire fog light, and apply the Lamin-x down using a circular motion with your fingers, working from the center of the fog light to the outside. Now I'm going to take a little bit of water and spray the outside of the Lamin-x and use a squeegee with a moderate to firm pressure to better apply down the Lamin-x and even tuck in the small edges underneath the trim bezel. Now we still have a little bit of excess Lamin-x on the side, so I'm going to use the Lamin-x trim tool to carefully trim away that excess Lamin-x, making sure I'm not damaging the trim bezel or the fog light underneath the film. And with those cuts we can further apply the Lamin-x down and tuck in the small edges underneath the trim bezel. I repeated this process all the way around the light and then cleaned it once more. Now your fog light is fully protected for many years to come, and in this case we picked the amber color, so it also projects a bright amber light. To learn more about our Lamin-x Universal sheets, visit our website or watch our other Universal sheet videos to see what else you can do. Thanks and have a great day.